Nose-to-tail cooking, a sustainable approach. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting and meaningful topic in the culinary world: nose-to-tail cooking. This concept is not only about cooking but also about respecting food and minimizing waste. Let's explore together what it means and why it matters. Nose-to-tail cooking is a philosophy and practice that aims to use every part of an animal in food preparation, leaving as little waste as possible. This includes not only the prime cuts of meat but also the less commonly used parts such as organs, bones, and even the skin. The idea is to respect the animal by ensuring that if it is to be consumed, none of it goes to waste. This approach is both ethical and sustainable, promoting a more responsible way of consuming food. The concept of nose-to-tail cooking is far from new. Historically, it was a common practice in many cultures around the world, driven by necessity and respect for the resources available. However, in modern times, with the advent of mass food production, this practice began to wane. Recently, there has been a resurgence in its popularity, led by chefs and food enthusiasts who are passionate about sustainability and ethical eating. Nose-to-tail cooking is now seen as a way to combat food waste and promote a more sustainable food system. Environmental impact. By using the entire animal, nose-to-tail cooking significantly reduces waste. This approach lessens the environmental impact of food production, as it requires fewer animals to be raised for consumption. Culinary creativity. Nose-to-tail cooking encourages chefs and home cooks to be more creative in the kitchen. Exploring the use of unconventional parts of the animal can lead to the discovery of new flavors and techniques. Economic advantages. Utilizing the whole animal can also be more economical. Less popular cuts of meat are often cheaper, offering a cost-effective way to enjoy high-quality, nutritious food. While nose-to-tail cooking has many benefits, it also presents some challenges. Not everyone may be comfortable with the idea of eating all parts of an animal, and there can be a learning curve when it comes to preparation and cooking techniques. Moreover, sourcing animals that are suitable for nose-to-tail cooking, particularly those that have been ethically raised, can sometimes be difficult. Nose-to-tail cooking is more than just a trend. It's a sustainable and ethical approach to food that honors the life of the animals we consume. It encourages us to think about our food choices and to be mindful of waste. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of nose-to-tail cooking and perhaps inspired you to explore this philosophy in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!